Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Ghibli by Gemini easy method. Start by choosing a clear reference image and decide the scene mood, colors, and key shapes. Use short prompts that name the Ghibli style, add lighting direction, camera angle, and emotional tone. Keep iterations small, tweak one parameter at a time, and save favorites. I will walk you through examples and tips to get charming, consistent results quickly and easily. Write prompts that act like a recipe. Style, subject, mood, and camera details in that order, and keep it compact. Mention Ghibli-inspired palettes, soft lighting, and simple character silhouettes to steer the model. Add camera terms like close-up or wide shot to shape composition, and use one strong mood word such as nostalgic or peaceful. Iterate with small edits and compare outputs to refine the exact look you want. After initial renders, choose the best candidates and run focused variations on color, line weight, and lighting to move toward the Ghibli feel. Blend elements from different iterations with basic compositing to keep clean silhouettes and unified backgrounds. Apply gentle color grading and subtle film grain to recreate analog warmth without overprocessing. Keep notes of prompt tweaks so you can reproduce a look reliably in future sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.